Now I will explain laptop display connectors. This is VGA connector. This is pin number 1. So this is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Pin number 1, 2, 3 red, green, blue. Pin number 12, 13, 14, 15. This is important pins. That means first 3 pins and last 3 pins. You should check here 0.8 volts to 1 volt is there or not. If voltage is present here 1 volt, 1 volt, 1 volt, this will okay. When no voltage at this point, red color will not present. That means cyan color will present. No voltage at this point, green color will not present. That means magenta color will present. This is green. If it is faulty, full green color or no green color, that means magenta color will appear. This is pin number 12 and 14. This is SDA and SCL connections. This is horizontal sync and vertical sync signals. You should check here 2.5 volts, 2.5 volts and 5 volts and 5 volts is there or not, or 3 volts, 3 volts is there or not. So pin number 1, 2, 3, 1 volt, 1 volt, 1 volt, and here 2.5 volts or 3 volts, 3 volts and 2.5 volts. You should check here this voltage is there or not. When this voltage will present, this circuit is okay. No voltage at this point, you should check. I will explain in that stage. This is S-video connector. This is 4-pin S-video connector. This is 7-pin S-video connector. This is 9-pin S-video connector. So many laptop motherboards have this connector, 7-pin connector. This is S-video in. That means video in, TV in. This is so many laptop motherboards have TV out socket. That means this is Luma in. If it is out socket, this is Luma out. This is Chroma out. This is Luma ground, Chroma ground. Luma means black and white signal. Chroma means color signal. If it is faulty, color will not present. If it is faulty, black and white will not present. This is SDA, this is SDA, this is SCL, this is 12 volt supply. This connection goes to TV S-video. This is S-video out, this is S-video in, but so many laptops have S-video out connection. This connection goes to S-video in to any TV or any S-video in. See here TXD, TXD, TXD signals. D2, D2, D1, D1, D0. This is clock. This is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2 signal, and this is CC means clock signals. This is HDA and SCL connections. Total 19 connections is there. I will explain this connector attached with graphic controller, that means GMCH. I will explain in that chapter. This is LCD panel connector. This is LCD panel connector. This is LCD panel connector circuit. This connector have 2 types of connections. That means one inverter connections and another display connections. No lighting after changing inverter. No lighting is there. You should check 3 pins. That is DC bat out. You should check here 12 volts or 18 volts is there or not, pin number 38 and 39 and 40. And next you should check brightness control pin number 33, 2 volts is there or not, and backlight on, BL out, backlight on out. This pin has also pin number 34, 2 volts is there, 2 to 3 volts is there or not, you should check this one also. This backlight on out connection comes from SIO chip, and brightness control connection also comes from SIO chip. You should check backlight control circuit also. This connection comes from VGA connector. So When no lighting is there, you should check 3 pins. DC bat out, that means supply 12 volts to 18 volt supply, and 2 volts at brightness control, 2 volts at backlight on connection. Total 3 connections. No display, you should check in this connector, but no display means VGA is okay. No display, you should check this connector. VGA will not work, and this also will not work. You should don't check here. You should check from ICH and GMCH and CPU also. I will explain in that class. No display fault means that is divided into 3 types. I will explain in no display fault in that chapter. This is 3 volts LCD VDD 3 volts. This voltage comes from one IC. See here, this is U55. This voltage comes from this IC U55. Voltage comes from this IC LCD VDD. This voltage comes from pin number 22, 22, 23. 3 volts is there or not, you should check here, and 3.3 volts and 5 volts you should check here. This connections comes from graphic controller or GMCH. 1.2 volts is there or not, you should check here. Pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12 to 19 pins. You should check here. See here, same LCD monitor and LCD TV also same these connections. This one see here, TXA AA, this is TXB BB connections. That means TV has interlaced scanning. That means odd lines and even lines is there. So one odd lines and another even lines. You should check here 1.2 volts is there or not. This data goes to 3 bit. That means 0, 1, 0 plus 0 minus, 1 plus 1 minus, 2 plus 2 minus, and clock plus clock minus. See here also 0 minus plus 1 plus 1 minus, 2 plus 2 minus, clock plus clock minus. In some LCD panels, that means TV or LCD monitor, another connection is also there, 3 plus 3 minus also is there. So you should check here 1.2 volts is there or not. This signal comes from this IC GMCH or graphic controller. No voltage at this point, you should check graphic controller or GMCH IC. I will explain in that chapter. This chapter only connectors. I will explain only connector that use only. This connection goes to LCD panel. From this connection data signal, that means data goes to LCD panel. In laptop motherboards, 3 types of DIMM slots, that means memory slots used in laptop motherboards, that is DDR1. This is DDR1, 200 pins, 20 pins here, another side 20 pins, this is 80 pins and another side 80 pins. DDR2, this also 20 pins and 80 pins, that means this is 40 pins, this is 160 pins. Some notch is small difference is there here, small difference is there. And next DDR3, 204 pins. This is DDR1 2.5 volts, DDR2 1.8 volts working voltage, and DDR3 1.5 volts working voltage. How to see this motherboard DIMM slot pins? See here, this dot is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 39, this is 40. See here, 20 pins here, 20 pins here, another side 20 pins, and other side 20 pins, total 40 pins. This side odd members will come this side, that means 1, 3, 5, 7, just like that one, 39 pins. This is even members, that means 2 pin number 2, 4, 6, 8, just like that one. See here 41, 42. 1.8 volt standard, that means one DDR2, this slot is DDR2. See here, total pins 119 and 200. See here 200, total 200 pins. This is also 200 pins and DDR2 also, this is DDR2. Now we will see DDR1, this is DDR1, this also same, pin number 1 and 39, 40, 41, 42. See here 41, 42. So same, here also 40 pins, 39 and 40, here also 39 and 40 pins, but small notch is light difference is there. Center point here, here small point, here small difference is there from this distance, small difference is there. This is DDR1 2.5 volts, this is DDR2 1.8 volts and DDR3 1.5 volts. We will see that slot pin numbers, important pins in this slot. See here 2.5 volts suspend voltage, that means 2.5 volts means this is DDR1, so this is DDR1 slot. See here 39, 40, 39, 40 pins. After 41, 42, 41, 42. So total pins 200 pins, 200 pins, total 200 pins. In this laptop, every memory module have one small EPROM chip that supply called VDD SPD. This voltage 3.3 volts or 3 volts. This voltage goes to EPROM chip, small EPROM chip. Every memory module have this chip. SDASCL, this signal goes to ICH. This is important pins. And RAS, row address strobe, column address strobe and right pin, this is right pin. And CKE0, CKE0 pin number 96, CKE1, this is 95. You will check here pin number 95 and 96, 1 volt or 1.5 volts is there or not. If this voltage will present here, GMCH is okay, GMCH memory controller is okay. See here 1.8 volts, S3 means suspend voltage. 1.8 volts, this is 1.8 volts, that means this is DDR2 slot. See here important pins. See here voltages 1D8, this voltage goes to pin number 81, 82, 87, 88, 95, 96. You should check here voltage is there or not. No voltage at this point, you should check memory regulator. And important pin VDD SPD 3.3 volts. See here 3D3, that means 3.3 volts. This voltage goes to pin number 199. And SDASCL, this SM bus clock and data, this voltage goes to ICH. Next important pin CKE0 and CKE1, 79 and 80. And RAS, right pin and RAS and CAS, that means row address strobe, column address strobe. This is important pins. You should check here pin number 79 and 80. 1 volt to 1.5 volts is there or not. This voltage will present, when this voltage will present, this GMCH is okay. You should check this pins, pin number 1 and 2, already I explained. This is DDR2 slot. Next DDR3. See here 204 pins, that means the DDR3. See here DDR3. In important pins in this slot, supply, first you should check supply at 1D5S3, that means suspend voltage 1.5 volts. So this is DDR3. 2.5 volts means DDR1, 1.8 volts means DDR2. DDR2 supply 1.8 volts, DDR1 supply 2.5 volts, DDR3 supply 1.5 volts. See here 75 pin number 75, 76, 81, 82, 87, 88. You should check in this pins. Next VDD SPD pin. This is 3.3 volts. See here 3D3 SO 3.3 volts supply. Next SDA SCL. This voltage goes to ICH. CKE 0 and CKE 1. See page pin number 73 and 74. This is important pins. You should check here 1 volt or 1.5 volts is there or not. Next see here RAS, COS and W, write and row address strobe, column address strobe. You should check in this pin also voltage. Important pins in this slot. This is important pins in this slots. DDR 1 and 2 total in this side 20 pins, side 20 pins. So pin number 1 to 39 and another side 40, 41, 42. Next last 199 and 100 pins, 200 pins, 200, 199 and 200. In DDR3 36 pin here and 36 pins another side. Pin number 1, 2 other side, 3, 4, 5, just like 71, 72. Next 73 and 74 here, 103 and 104, 203 and 204 another side. You should count memory module pins in this way. This is mini PCI Express slot in laptop. This is used in laptop motherboard. See here total this is 52 pins. So PCI Express slot this is. You should count pin numbers from this way. See here pin number 1 dot is pin number 1, 2 see here pin number 2, pin number 3, 4, 5, 6. So odd members here, even members here. Total 15 and 16, 15 and 16, 17 and 18. Total 52 pins, 51 and 52. Total 52 pins. You should check here pin number 52 3.3 volts is there or not. Next pin number 6 and 2 3.3 volts and 1.5 volts. Pin number 2 3.3 volts and pin number 6 1.5 volts. Pin number 6 4 6. This is 6. You should check here PCI reset pin number 22. Pin number 22. That means this is 18, 20, 22. From this to third pin, you should check here 3 volts is there or not. No voltage at this point. You should change ICH. ICH fault. See here P reset, PLT reset, PLT reset. Any laptop motherboard you should check this pin 18, 20, 22. This is PLT reset. You should check here 3.3 volts is there or not. This 3 volts is will present here. ICH is okay. This is IDE hard disk connector. This is IDE hard disk connector. You see here PDD means data pins 16 bit. This is IRQ14. This is LED connection. You should check here voltage HDD VDD pin number 41 and you should check here HDD VDD plus 5 volts. Pin number 41 and 42. Pin number 41 and 42. Pin number 41 and 42. See to these 2 pins here, these 2 pins voltage will there or not. You should check here 5 volts and 5 volts. This is pin number 1, 2. This is pin number 1, 2. This 4 is slave and connections away, slave and master connections. This is 1, 2. This is 19. Pin number 20, no pin here, no pin here. You should check here 5 volts and 5 volts is there or not. This is IDE hard disk in laptop. This is IDE CD-ROM connector. This is CD-ROM connector. This is CD-ROM connector. Total 52 pins here. Total 52 pins here. you should check pin number 38, 40, 42 CD VCC and 39, 41 pins. You should check here voltage is there or not. This is SATA hard disk connector in laptop motherboard. You see here, this is pin number 1, total 7 pins. This is data pins. This is pin number 8 to 22, pin number 22. This is supply pins. See here another motherboard. This is data pins. This is pin number 8, 8 to 22 supply pins. We will see in circuit. See here, pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 data pins. 8, 9, 10, 3.3 volt supply. See here, this is data pins. Pin number 1 ground, pin number 1 ground, pin number 2 and 3 TX lines, pin number 2, 3 this is TX lines, and 4, 5 RX lines, 4, 5 RX lines, 6 and 4, 5 4 ground, 4 ground, 5, 6 RX lines. So 1 ground and 4 ground, 2, 3 TX lines, 5, 6 RX lines, 5, 6 RX lines, 2, 3 TX line, 2, 3 TX line and 5, 6 pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is TX line, this is RX signals. Pin number 8, 9, 10, 3.3 volts. Pin number 8, 9, 10. See here 8, 9, 10. These 3 pins supply 3.3 volts. You should check here 3.3 volts is there or not. And 3 pins ground. Pin number 11, 12, 13. 3 pins ground. And next 3 pins 5 volts. Pin number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 14, 15, 16, 5 volts. 14, 15, 16, 5 volt supply. This is 5 volt supply. 14, 15, 16. So you should check here 3.3 volts is there and here 5 volts is there. You should check any laptop motherboard hard disk. In desktop, pin number 21, 22, last 3 pins 20, 21, 22 have 12 volts DC. Here no 12 volts DC. See here 22 pin, total 22 pins. This is notch, this one and this one. See here 23 and 24. This is this connectors. Only 22 pins will here. 7 pins data and 15 pins supply pins. This is data, this is supply pins. You should check here 3.3 volts is there or not in this motherboard. You should check here 5 volts is there or not. No, this voltage will not present here. SATA hard disk will not work. SATA hard disk will not work. See here, this is also hard disk in laptop, SATA hard disk. This total 7 pins. This total 7 pins. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 pins, data pins. This is data pins. This is supply pins. 8 to 22. This is 8 to last 22. You should check here pin number 8, 9, 10. Pin number 8, 9, 10. 3.3 volts is there or not. See here 3.3 volts. And this is 5 volts. This is 5 volts. You should check here 5 volts is there or not. The last 3 pins 12 volts will not used in laptop motherboards. This pins used in only desktop motherboards. We will see CD-ROM. This is CD-ROM connector in or DVD-ROM connector in laptop motherboards. This 7 pins data pins. This 7 pins data pins. This 6 pins supply pins. This 6 pins supply pin. See here pin number 1, 4, 7 ground. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 8. See here, this is 8, this is 12. 8 dummy. 9, 10. You should check here 5 volts is there or not. See here S1 to S7. this S1 to S7, that means signal S1 to S7, power 1 to power 6, this is power 1 to power 6, that means this is 1, this is 6. Pin number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You should check 9 and 10. So this is 9 and 10. You should check here 5 volts is there or not. You should check here 5 volts is there or not. This is total pin 13 pins. Total 13 pins. This is 7 pins. This is 6 pins. See here. This is data pins. Total pin 7 pins. This is 6 pins. 6 pins. You should check here 5 volts is there or not. These 2 pins. This is pin number 8, 9 and 10. You should check here 5 volts is there or not. No 3.3 volts or 12 volts DC in this socket. So hard disk, SATA hard disk have 3.3 volts and 5 volts supply. DVD RAM only 5 volts supply at pin number 9 and 10. See here, this is hard drive. This is data pins, this is supply pins, total 15 pins. This is DVD drive or CD RAM, this is data pins, this is supply pins. This is eSATA. eSATA means USB port and SATA pins. This is USB ports, this is supply pin, this is ground, this is data. This is SATA, TX plus TX minus, RX plus RX minus, this is ground. This is 2 in 1, this is 2 USB ports here and 1 SATA. This is eSATA socket. This is firewire connector. This is firewire connector. Total pin 4 pins. B plus B, B minus, B plus, A plus, A minus. This is 4 pins. This is firewire connection. Another name 1394. See here, IEEE 1394. If it is not working, you should check this drive IC. This is USB port. This is USB port. VCC pin number 1. VCC means supply, 5 volt supply, data minus, data plus, ground. You should check one side supply is there or not. No supply at this point. You should check one regulator transistor or switching transistor is there or not. This is LAN connector. This connector have 8 pins. This 8 pins, pin number 1 to 8. This 8 pins data pins. This 8 pins data pins. Another pins supply and LED pins. This is LED pin. This is LED pin. This is LAN connector RJ1. See here RJ1. Total 8 pins data pins. This is LED pin and supply pin. Every RJ11, RJ45. This is RJ45 LAN connector. This connector have one transformer, LAN transformer. See here, this is LAN transformer XF1. See here XF1. This is LAN transformer. You should check here. When smoke will come from this LAN connector, you should check this transformer. This is LAN transformer. This is LAN transformer. This is battery connector. See here, BAT1. This is no pins here. This is no pins, only round type. Pin number 1 to 6, 7 and 8. This is 7 and 8. These pins. This is 7 and 8. This one. This pin number 1 to 6 only. Pin number 1 to 6 only. One ground. This is too large. That means tall. This is positive supply. This is ground supply. You should check any laptop motherboard battery connector have one side positive, one side negative. Next, pin number 2, battery temperature. Pin number 2, this is battery temperature. When battery is lithium ion battery will goes to temperature, battery goes to high temperature, this will cut off, battery is full, or battery temperature is goes to high, immediately this circuit will goes to, when this signal goes to SIO chip, SIO activate charging cutoff circuit. Next, pin number 3, dummy. 4 and 5, 4 and 5 SDA SCL, serial data, serial clock. This signal also goes to SIO chip, IO controller chip.